time-lapse mode.
Yeah, and we are now here in the grocery. Yeah, I'm going to buy food that I'm going to eat for the rest of the week. Look at this Ferrero Rocher. Yeah, just $14, 50% discount. I'm going to buy one of this chickpea. Yeah, this is just $3.70. There are also lentils. Yeah, different lentils. For 80, regular price for 80. Also soup mix, different kind like lentils, barley, a mix. Yeah, and it's cheap, just $1.90. Even different beans they have also, but they don't have the mungo beans. I'm getting this kombucha, no sugar, ginger, lemon, and regular price is $8.75. Now just $6.50. You know this orange juice, these drinks, apple juice, orange juice. Yeah, they are very common, but yeah, I just like this, like a prawn, cherry, cranberry. Yeah, this is not very common. I mean, I don't see a lot of people drinking this kind of juices, so maybe this is just for mixture, to mix for something, I don't know, or it can be drink as it is, I'm not sure. Yeah, this is $6.50. Cranberry fruit drinks. There are other drinks like prawn, the same, $6.50. And I'm going to get a coffee for the bun. I have coffee just in the house, but I want always to have coffee in the bun. And it is going to be this one, the home brand, $4, and it's decaffeinated. Oh, look at the price difference of this Victoria coffee. Yeah, same size, but because this one is known brand is $13.50 compared to this, which is just $4. Both of them are decaffeinated. Yeah, both are 100 grams. I am going to get a ginger. Yeah, this one is enough. It is $27 per kg. I get just this one. And I also need chicken. Just now I decide I'm going to make a tinola, chicken tinola. Oh, this is just $6. How come this is cheap? Okay, I'm going to get one of these drumstick. Yes, it looks too much. And this time they don't have much discounted products. Yeah, nothing, empty. Only this cheese, $2.98. And this one is just 48 cents. And I'm also getting one of these. Yeah, this is $4.90. Chukus, sayote in Filipino. Also bok choy, I'm going to get one. Yeah, $2.50. I bought a lot today. Actually, I don't know how much is the total because I paid in the cashier, not on the self-checkout. When I was paying, I was browsing for the rewards card on my phone, so I didn't see the actual price. We are home and it's already 7:15. Yeah, I'm going to watch how to make a chicken tinola, and then I'm going to cook it. You already add the ginger and garlic. This is actually my very first time to cook tinola. Yeah, I mentioned to you in my previous vlogs that I don't know how to cook Filipino food, and it is usually my parents, my brother or my sister, or my housemates, or the friends, yeah, cooking food for us. Not just for me, but for us. Yeah, that was before when I was living with my parents, when I was living with my brothers, when I was living with my relatives, and then when I was living with my housemates. And now that I am living alone, this was the only chance that I am able to cook Filipino food. And I was surprised that this much of chicken legs, drumstick, is actually just $6.55. Regular price. I'm not going to cut it. I'll just cook it as it is. I don't have chicken stock, so I'm just going to put regular water. So it's about 1 hour now. Yeah, I didn't put any seasoning yet, just the fish sauce. Yeah, it tastes just like a chicken stock. I put some more fish sauce. I think it's okay not to totally peel. This is very slimy. You know, the stock is actually not supposed to be that dark. It should be clear, like a clear soup. So I'm going to let the vegetable to be cooked, and it's ready. And then I will add some more bok choy later. Oh, just now I realized that I need to cook rice. I have only this much. This is not enough. Yeah, now I realize that I should have chili. Look at the mess. It doesn't smell like tinola because of the bok choy. I didn't even taste it yet. Again. I need to put some salt. Oh, come on. Okay, it's okay. It's late to put the salt. It's okay. So this is my dinner. And it is already 9 o'clock exactly. Yeah, but the chicken. The chicken is very tender now. This is not very much taste like the Filipino one. Just a little bit. I don't know what is missing. Maybe more. Yeah, I don't know. But it's okay. I don't know, but I don't feel like finishing it. I don't think I'm full enough. Yeah, I feel like it's nakakaumay. I don't know what's that in English. Nakakaumay. Yeah. You know, most of the takeaway restaurant here, like a Chinese takeaway. Yeah, mostly Chinese takeaway. Yeah, they have that taste or feeling. Nakakaumay. Yeah, I don't know. They are delicious, but nakakaumay. Hopefully, sorry. Hopefully tomorrow will be more delicious. Usually leftover, they are delicious. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty. Yeah, 2 o'clock. And I'm actually really excited to get here because I want to try if it is going to work, the iPad to be connected on this monitor. It will be amazing if it is going to work because yeah. So I basically have this yeah, the normal lightning for iPad, iPhone with the connector for the USB-C. Then I'm going to put it here in the iPad. And then this one I'm going to connect it to this kind of USB hub. In this USB hub I have yeah, external memory, SD card, and this one is for the keyboard and mouse. And then this is the HDMI. I'm going to connect it here. Yeah, so it's connected. And now just need the power to power this monitor. And then switch on the power inverter. Monitor is on. And let's see if the iPad is going to no signal. Wrong connection, this one. This one connect here. Nothing is happening, so it doesn't work. Since it doesn't work, I'm going home now. I'll be editing video in the house. It is very windy this time. Look, you see the water keeps on moving. Okay, we are home, and I'm going to eat this, the one that I cooked last night. You know, if I am rich, I will get a maid, and then the maid will cook, yeah, all vegetable Filipino food for me.